Alright guys, today is Sunday, February, 24th, 25th, something like that, I don't know. Anyways, we're working on the 325 Deere, and basically what I'm doing right now is just going through it, just cleaning it out. In places that it wasn't cleaned when I bought it. As you can see, zoom back here a little bit. The cab does fold up on it to get down to the bottom part of it. And basically you get your here's your hydraulic filter and all the transmission and all that good stuff down there. I guess for you that are wondering how the bucket stays up in the air like that on this machine, it does have a boom lock on it right here. It is resting on that pin in there, so it is not going to come down. Couple things on here. I can't really run it right now. I have to get some coolant for it because when I bought the machine, it did need a new water pump on it. So after running it for a while, the coolant level has gone down in it. Mainly because there was probably air in the coolant system yet, or in the water pump. And now that's gone through, I have to get more to put in it, and it's not any special, or any antifreeze you can put in it. It's a special antifreeze you got to put in it. So that's what I'm doing there. Side panels do come off. So that is what I'm doing. Stay tuned for more.